Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Create to Inspire. Today I am going to show you all how I converted old terracotta teacups into a home decor piece. So let's get started. I made holes to these cups already. Watch my previous video to know how I made holes to these cups without a drilling machine. Here I am using Asian paints to paint the cups. You can also use acrylic colors or chalk paints. As I have this leftover paint, I am using this. Mix the paint well before use and start painting. You can give 2 coats of paint if you feel the first coat is light. This is how it looks after 2 coats of paint. Here I am drawing semicircles around the cup with a pencil. Now I am painting the semicircles using orange color. Here I am painting one more layer of semicircles using yellow color. Repeating the same using red color here. I have painted other 4 layers of semicircles in the same way and this is how it looks. Now using the back of the paintbrush I am keeping dots. Here I am taking the paintbrush with smaller tip on the back. Just dip it in paint and keep the dots in a single stroke so that you will get dots in descending order. For the next cup I am painting triangles as shown using orange color. Now I am adding one more layer of triangles using yellow color. Repeating the same using red color here. I have added other 2 layers in the same way and this is how it looks. Now using the same process I showed before, I added dots using the back of the paintbrush and let it dry completely. In the same way I painted the other 2 cups and we have 4 cups now. To varnish the cups I am using decor varnish from Little Birdie. You can get this from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box. Check if you are interested. To arrange the cups together, I am using jute thread. You can take any thread instead. I am taking 2 strands of jute thread for this decor piece. I am using the small bells which I got from Itsy Bitsy store in Bangalore. You can also get them online through their website itsybitsy.in. I also found similar bells in Amazon. If you want, you can check out the link in the description box. I am tying 3 bells to one end of the jute thread tightly. Now take the other end of the jute thread and make it sharp by adding little amount of Fevicol and twisting it so that it will be easy to add beads. I am taking wooden beads like this and adding 5 of them to the jute thread. Now measure the length of the cup using a scale and leave the same gap to the thread after beads and make a knot. Here I left 7 cm of gap. Now add a bead for support and insert the cup as shown. Again add 5 beads and repeat the process. Once you reach the end, add a bead and tie it with jute thread as shown. Now make a loop and tie it tightly as shown so that it will be used to hang the decor piece. Now cut the extra threads and it's ready to decorate your home. Do try this out if you have any old terracotta cups, or you can also try this with plastic or paper cups too. Also share it with your friends who love to recycle things. I hope this video is helpful. Do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for getting notified about my new videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.